Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change your birth date on Facebook. Before we begin, do note that Facebook only allows a certain number of times that you can change this, and if you've recently changed it, you may have to wait a while. Also, if you change your birth date too many times, Facebook may suspend your account. But if you've made a mistake or just want to add more privacy to your account, here's how you do it. We'll be looking at the Facebook website, but the steps are the same on mobile. Start by heading to your profile page. Inside of here at the top, choose Edit Profile. Scroll all the way to the bottom and then choose Edit Your About Info. Next, on the left, select Contact and Basic Info. Scroll down into the Basic Info section and you'll see your birth date and birth year. Choose the Edit button to the right of your birth date. You can then change the birth date and year, and you can also change the privacy setting to who you want to be able to view the info. When you're finished, hit save. Remember though, you can only do this a certain number of times before Facebook will block you. And that's how you change your birth date on Facebook. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.